During those cold winter months, there isn't much that I like more or is more comforting than a huge pot of stew. And I'm gonna make a really tasty lentil stew, and then we're gonna poach fresh salmon right in it. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. The first thing we're gonna do is cook off some bacon. So go ahead and chop it up. We're gonna put it in a shallow pot. We're gonna cook it on medium heat till it gets nice and crispy. And in the meantime, we're gonna cut up some vegetables. All right, what we wanna do now while the bacon is cooking is finally mince up some garlic. We're gonna small dice an onion. We're gonna small dice a bell pepper, carrots, and celery. And then as soon as the bacon is nice and crispy, what we wanna do is set it to the side. We're gonna cook those vegetables in that fat. We wanna get it browned up just a little bit, so we're sauteing for about 4 to 6 minutes. We're next gonna set that aside along with the bacon, and we're gonna put the lentils right in that pot. You can absolutely wash off the lentils if you want, but I want all the lentil flavor I can get, so I'm cooking it without rinsing it. We're gonna pour in some vegetable stock. We wanna cook it till it's tender, which is gonna take about 20 to 25 minutes. Then we're gonna put back in all those vegetables and bacon, and we're gonna get it ready to put the salmon in. All right, now we're gonna get to our salmon. We've got a beautiful 2-pound piece of organic salmon right off the coast of Ireland. It's absolutely delicious. We're gonna take the skin off. We're gonna cut it into about 2-inch by 2-inch squares because we wanna be able to put it right into the lentils. But before you do, we're gonna add in some chickpeas, some rosemary and thyme, a little bit of baby spinach, salt and pepper. We're also gonna add a bit more vegetable stock because we want it to be a little bit brothy. We're gonna put the salmon right in there, season the tops of the salmon with salt and pepper. It's going in the oven for about 17 to 20 minutes on 375 degrees. The salmon stew is finished. It looks amazing, and honestly, it smells so ridiculously good, you won't be able to handle it. What we're gonna do now is simply put it right into the bowl, garnish it up with some fresh herbs, and we're finished. Such a great, easy to do recipe, and when some of you are detoxing in the month of January, what a great recipe to do. Get all of these great ingredients from your favorite Heinen's grocery stores, and be sure to visit Heinen's.com to see all of our great recipe videos. Can't wait to get into the salmon. We'll see you later.